Assalamu alaikum. I am Rasel Ahmed. Now I discuss about power transformer. What is power transformer? The power transformer is one type of transformer that is used to transmit electrical energy in any component of the electronic or electrical circuit between the distribution primary circuit and the generator. These transformers are utilized in distribution network to interface step down and step up voltage. Use of power transformer. The generation of electrical energy in the low voltage rating is too cost effective. This low voltage rating power can theoretically be transferred into the receiving section. This low voltage power, if transferred, cause a greater current in line, which is intended to result in more line loss. If the voltage rate of the power is improved, the current of the power is decreased, which result in a reduction in ohm or I square R lost in the network. Reduction in the cross-section side of the loop, reduction in the total cost of the network, and it also enhances the voltage adjustment of the system. Because of this low rating power should be stepped up for effective electrical power application. This is performed by the step-up device at the sending section of the power network. At this large voltage power may not be distributed to the user directly. They should be stepped down to the suitable read at the receiving side with the help of a step-down device. As a result, electrical power transformers play an important role in power transmission case. Types of power transformer: step-up transformer and step-down transformer, three-phase transformer and single-phase transformer, electrical transformer, distribution transformer, two-winding transformer and auto transformer, outdoor transformer and indoor transformer, oil cold and dry type transformer, cold type transformer, shell type transformer, berry type transformer. Power transformer application. Power transformer can be used from one voltage type to another at high power rating. These transformers are employed in various electronic networks and also present in various types and applications. The application of the power transformer contains the transmission and the distribution of electrical energy. These instruments are broadly used by industrial plant, power plant, and traditional electric utility companies. Some other applications of a power transformer include reducing power waste during electrical power transmission, high voltage step down and high voltage step up during long distance consumer application in case where load run at full capacity 24/7. Summary: power transformers are generally constructed to use the core part for maximum and will perform very much near to the effects of the base curve. This take down the mesh of the core exceedingly. Typically, power transformers have the corresponding copper and iron loss at a large booth. As a result, this is all about a power transformer working principle, specification and application. We hope that you have got more understanding about them. In addition, any queries regarding this subject or power transformer definition, please give your feedback by commenting in the comment section. Thank you.